Here he is! Cool Beans. Real live bird. Like I said before, his mother's up there. Yeah. So, that was Cool Beans. Bird over there. Yeah. Some ground. I found him. His mother was up in the tree. She deserted him. Yeah. Terrible story. Anyway, he is here for my second vlog. I had another video for my second vlog, but then my computer had to be itself and completely deleted the video. So I was gonna upload it yesterday, but then, yeah, sorry about that. But I'm here at my grandmother's house, that you all know. Well, you don't know, but it's my grandmother's house. It's where I'm at this Friday. But what I'm gonna do is upload this. Woo! My second vlog. And I'm hoping I can get some more subscribers from this. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're ready to subscribe, please like the video. You don't have to favorite it, but you can like it. Please do. It will help me out a lot. But this is my second vlog. On Friday, I believe the 31st of May. 30th of May. Friday the 30th of May, not the 31st to 30th. And I'm just glad you all have subscribed. Just stay true. PewDiePie. Me, PewDiePie, have grown this channel. Grown this channel to 15 subscribers. I'm looking to reach at least 100. No, not 100. You know, we'll make it hard. 500 before the end of summer. Summer is just beginning, but I'm looking to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the summer. So, in my first vlog, I said I was gonna upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. I meant that's when I am gonna upload a vlog, if I do a vlog. It will be on Thursday, Tuesday, or Friday. I'm probably gonna upload one this next upcoming Friday. Probably gonna upload one this next upcoming Friday, but not Friday, Tuesday. Maybe for next week. Thursday, possibly. But keep on watching. And if you're new, if you really are new, subscribe. And like the video. And check out my friend's channel. His name is Canadian Bacon. I've liked a couple of his videos, so they should be on my channel. So check them out. Yeah. And please thank Cool Beans for being in my video. Y'all, he had to come all the way from that tree over there to down here. He was my special guest for the day. Cool Beans the bird. Peace out, y'all. PewDiePie is saying good